Hello. So today let me show you our plot in Aluva. Okay, so I forgot to just start recording from the entrance. So I'll show that to you later when we go out. So that one is our plot. This one. See, there's Swati and Appa. So see this one. There's still a lot of leveling to be done. So the sand was put here I think like 1 or 2 days back. So this has to be leveled. And this mango tree, no, this sapling, it was planted long time back, like when my father used to come here months back then, and it's growing now. So today we planted a few more saplings. This is curry leaf. There's another mango sapling here. We came by bike, so I know this got damaged. The leaves just fell off. Another one, and there's another one, and this is another one. All these three are the same. This one, mango, another variety of mango. So all these varieties of mangoes are different from one another. This one, we had kept it here, and then I was just saying that buffalo might eat it. See that one, and it happened so. And Swati spotted it chomping off. Meera. Yeah, Meera. Spotted it chomping off this tiny sapling. And then we had to take it out from its mouth and then plant it back here. So this is that. This is another variety of mango. And now there are 3 more saplings to be planted. So we'll do that. We started off early in the morning, so we hadn't had food. So we are hungry now. We'll have food now. Yes. The food was yummy. Now we are getting back to work. There are 3 more saplings to go. So Amma had packed some amazing jeera rice with pickle, lemon, and also lemon pickle. So we had that. Now we are back to work. There are 3 more saplings to be planted. There's leveling to be done. Yes. The water here, no, it's so cool and clean. Hello.
Takut ka hama. Hindi just mo. How does that? Dai, 좀 꺼냈대. 좀 꺼. 병거든 스트레이트 됐다. 연결자도. 근데는 근데 대마시. 아까 상태는 대마시. 우다가를 못해. 생긴다 느낌. ओके तर hanggang nalalahanay actually anihan karbe baru kami ekta oilal yang baru kapan kan oilal yang hampir pula jalan oke rasa ni level ko ros magiri super ternyata nih hancurkan dari file.
Pono tajir polo. Atat pono tajir polo. Tolin like shower shi. Tolde shi porche forces mo. Te atar pono. Padta ni jatal malari.
I found these bottles here, so I've collected them to use them for my plant project. I'll show it to you. So I'm still collecting more plastic bottles, everything that's here, and we're also collecting some cow dung, so that we can, so that after it's dried, we can put it under those plants as fertilizers. So there's lots of cow dung here. Just need to collect it. So now we are going back. So you want to see the cameraman? That's me. So she wants to take those ferns. I'll show you the way after it's planted. I showed you after it's planted. Yeah. गुरुवायूर तुळस
Come tulas na.
Let me take a photo. And then not so cold, like it's refreshing. Here comes Appa the
Krishna tulasi.
Krishna Tulasi. Let's walk. Come fast, okay? Come on. Come on, turn the radio on. It's
the morning.
Huh?
And I found you.
That's kappa. That's kappa.
See here, see a rainbow here. It's a rainbow here. See, that's me.
Let's go give this time.
No. So we go back again.
ăn cái sen hai lần.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah.
And we are done. So let's go back home. Let's have some yummy uppu soda on the way back home. कसं आहे അപ്പോൾ ശരി ബൈ ബൈ